Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency on Binance. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open Binance in browser. There are several ways to buy cryptocurrency, consider the first one. Click buy crypto, enter your currency, for example euro, and select coin, for example NIR. Then we enter the amount in euros and see how many NIR we will receive, but not in all currencies this can be done. You can also sell cryptocurrency on this page, click sell and select NIR first and then the currency. This method is for beginners and it is very simple, always check if it is profitable for you. Moving on to the second method, click trade and spot. We are looking for NIR to the currency that you have on your wallet. For example, USDT. In the left part we can buy NIR, enter the required amount and click buy. Here you can also sell NIR. In the right part enter the sale price and amount. Click sell. If your price differs from the market, then the transaction will be completed only when the price is matched. All this can be done with any other coin. That's all. All this can also be repeated on the phone. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.